Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 54. And first of all, we will create this shape in front plane, and after we will extrude it, and then after we will create these two shapes, and after we are using fillet and create this shape, and we use extruded cut to create this all those things. And if you want to download this PDF, so the link in description you can download from there. So let's go on SolidWorks and create it. We are select a new plane, new, and select the part and apply OK. Go to front plane and go to sketch, select a line and draw lines like that. These two lines are perpendicular to each other, so make this perpendicular, and this is 80, and this one is 50 plus 32, so it is 82, and it is 140, and now angle between these two is 60. Now select offset entities and select this one, deselect this, select chain, and here is 18. Reverse the direction and apply OK. Now again select offset entity, now select this line and reverse it, and it is 23. Apply OK. Now again select offset entity, now select this line and reverse it, it is 15. Apply OK. Now select a line command and join these 2 points and join these 2 points. Now select trim entity and trim this. Now go to features and select extrude boss, and here select mid plane, and it is 64. Apply OK. Now select this and go to sketch, select circle and draw two circles here. The outer one has a diameter 36 and inner one is 18. Distance from here is 50, and this point and this origin are horizontal, sorry, it is vertical. Now select a line and draw lines like that. Select this line and make vertical. Now again select one line and draw here. Select smart dimension. This distance is 25. Now go to features and select extrude boss and select this. Here select blind and here select offset, and this offset is 14 plus 3, so it is 17, and reverse the offset. Okay, reverse the offset. Okay, and reverse the this direction also, and it is total 36 plus 30, and apply OK. Now again select the extruded boss and select the same sketch. Now select this one, reverse the direction, and here select offset, and it is also 17, and reverse it. Okay, reverse the offset first, and it is how much? It is 18 minus 3, so it is 50. Apply OK. Now again select extrude boss and select the same sketch. Now select this one and here offset, and it is 14. Reverse it and reverse this one, and here select up to surface, and this is the surface. Apply OK. Now select again extrude boss and select the same sketch. Select this one, here select surface and select this surface, and here select blind, reverse the direction, and it is 15 mm. Apply OK. Now again select extrude boss and select the same sketch. Now select this contour and here select surface, and now this is the surface. Reverse the blind, and it is 18. Apply OK. Now here select fillet and select this last option. Select this face, select this face, and select this face. Select full preview. Apply OK. Now select this face and go to sketch. Select circle and draw 2 circles from this center. The outer one has 32 diameter and inner one has 20 mm diameter. Now select the line command and draw one center line from here, and now select dynamic mirror and select this line. Now select the line and draw one line which is horizontal, and like that make it horizontal first. Distance between these two lines is 23. Now again select the line and draw lines like that and join. Now select again line and draw line to join these two. Now select dimension, and this distance is 40 and this is 6, and okay. Select this edge and select this line, and this angle is 30. Apply OK. Now select trim and trim this two. Now go to features and select exploded cut. Select this contour, this one, and this one, also this one, and it is 9 mm only. So apply. Now again select exploded cut and select the same sketch. Now select this one and here select up to next and apply OK. Now again select exploded cut, select the same sketch, select this, and this, and here select blind. It is 4 mm only. So apply. Now again select exploded cut and select the same sketch, select this contour and this contour, and here select up to next. And now select this face and go to sketch. Select circle and draw 2 circles here. And diameter of this circle is how much it is? 10 mm. Yeah. And this also 10 mm. Distance between these two circles is 25. Distance of this circle from each edge, yeah, this edge is 25 also. Now select this center, and this origin and make vertical. Now go to feature and select exploded cut, and here select up to next and apply OK. And now select the fillet. Okay, select this one and select this, select this one, and this one, and it is 6 mm only. Apply 6 mm. Now go to appearance and apply the appropriate color to it. Select this one, and now this is our isometric view. So our exercise has been completed. Please share, subscribe, and like. Thank you for watching.